Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve some numericals of complex number from NCERT Class 11 Exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Express the following in the form of a plus ib. 5i into minus 3i by 5. So here is the solution. 5i into minus 3i by 5 equal to minus 5 into 3 by 5 into I equal to I square equal to minus 3 into I square will give minus 1, minus into minus equal to plus, 3 into 1 equal to 3 equal to 3 plus 0 into I. We can write it as a plus ib, where a equal to 3 and b equals to 0. Next question. Express this in the form of a plus I to the power 9 plus I to the power 19. Here is the solution. We can write I to the power 9 as I square whole power 4. It will give I to the power 8 into I. Overall I to the power 9 plus I square whole power 9 will give I to the power 18 into I equal to I to the power 19 equal to I square equal to minus 1 whole power 4 into I plus I square equal to minus 1 whole power 9 into I. Now I to the power minus 1 whole power 4 will give 1 into I plus minus 1 whole power 9 will give minus 1 into I. So I minus I equal to 0. We can write it in the form of 0 plus 0 into I equal to a plus ib, where a will be 0 and b will be also 0. Next, question number 3, I to the power minus 39. We can write it in the form of 1 by I to the power minus 39 equal to 1 by I square whole power 19. It will give I to the power 38 into I will be I to the power 39 equal to 1 by, now I square equal to minus 1 whole power 19 into I equal to 1 by minus 1 whole power 19 will be minus 1 into I will be minus I equal to, now we will multiply I on the numerator and the denominator also. So 1 into I divided by minus I into I equal to I by minus I square equal to I divided by minus of I square will be minus 1. So minus in minus, after multiplying it will give plus 1. 1 by 1 equal to 1 equal to, we can write it 1 plus 0 into I, where a equal to 1 and b equals to 0. So thanks for watching. In the next video we will complete the exercise 4.1.